everyone, my name is April and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would be talking about these two recently launched eyeshadow palettes and are they worth purchasing? You may or may not notice, but my brows look a little different today. And it's because I had a brow lamination service done by Neda. She is such a brow expert and I really like the fact that she made sure that my brows look perfect. So if you happen to live in the Greater Vancouver area and if you need to get your brows laminated, or if it's your first time trying out a brow lamination service, I highly suggest you to go visit her. So I'm gonna put her Instagram handle in the description down below so you can check out her work in her Instagram page. So this is the Natural Nudes Palette and it is infused with great skincare ingredients like vitamin E and green tea. So I'm just gonna open this product so we can all see what the shades look like. So this comes in 16 amazing shades and it only retails to $12 US. So it is extremely affordable and I really like the fact that they are highly pigmented and they blend so easily and effortlessly. So in terms of application, I like to either use my eye makeup brush or just my fingertips. Just one thing to note, for the shimmery shades, I personally like to use my fingertips because I find it extremely effective. So for today's eye makeup look, I actually used the Natural Nudes Palette. So if you're the type of person who loves to create colorful and creative eye makeup looks, I highly suggest you to check out the Color Crush palette. So this comes in 16 amazing shades and it also retails to just $12 US. So one thing I'd like to note is for some of these shades, like the bottom row and these three shades, you actually cannot use it on your eyelids. You can only use it as a blush on your face. So then the big question is, if you only have $12 US, which palette should you get? My recommendation will be to get the Natural Nudes Palette, and it's because this is something that I can use every single day. I can create a very easy, very casual look using this palette. At the same time, I can create a very dramatic look using the darker shades. Having said that, if you have an extra $12, it will also be nice to get the Color Crush palette. And it's because there will be days where, you want to be creative. Maybe you want to add a pop of color onto your eyes. This palette will enable you to create a very vibrant look. So if you're curious to learn more about these products, and also if you'd like to purchase them, I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, bye!